Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Hey Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Amelia.
And I'm James. Hello. We are so happy you are here today.
Yay! James, today is a super special episode.
Yes, today we help you speak English fast. Daily conversation practice for beginners.
Perfect. We will talk like normal friends. You just listen and repeat. Easy.
And before we start, quick reminder, please hit like, subscribe, and share with your best friend. Thank you.
Yes, it makes us smile so big. Okay, ready, James?
Ready? Let's start with morning time. Good morning, Amelia.
Good morning, James. How are you today?
I am great, and you?
I am happy. Everyone, repeat after James. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? How are you? How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too. Perfect.
Wow, you all speak so fast already.
Now let's go to breakfast. Amelia, what do you eat in the morning?
I drink coffee. 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 And I eat toast with jam.
Love it. I drink tea. T-E-A-T. And I eat eggs.
Eggs. E-G-G-S. Delicious.
Everyone say, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Perfect. Now say, I eat toast.
I eat toast.
So good.
Okay, time to go out. Amelia, where are you going today?
I am going to school. I am an art student, remember?
Yes, so cool. I am going to work.
Everyone, repeat. I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I am going to work.
Love it.
On the way, we say hello to people. Let's practice.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Haha, almost. I am good. But it's okay, mistakes are cute.
Yes, we all make mistakes. No problem.
Now let's buy something. Amelia, let's go to the shop.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I want one water, please.
Water. W-A-T-E-R. Here you go.
How much is it?
It is $2.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Everyone, repeat. How much is it?
How much is it?
Perfect.
And here you are.
Here you are.
Yay!
Time for lunch. Amelia, what do you want to eat?
I want chicken and rice.
Good choice. I want pizza.
Pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. My favorite.
Let's practice ordering food.
Hello, can I have chicken and rice, please?
Of course. Anything to drink?
One orange juice, please.
Orange juice. O-R-A-N-G-E-J-U-I-C-E.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everyone say, can I have, please?
Can I have pizza, please?
Can I have water, please?
So polite. I love it.
Afternoon time. James, what do you do in the afternoon?
I teach English. And you?
I draw pictures. I am an art student.
You draw pictures. So pretty.
Thank you. Everyone say, I draw pictures.
I draw pictures.
I teach English.
Perfect.
Now let's talk on the phone. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, James. It's Amelia.
Hi, Amelia. What's up?
Do you want to meet later?
Yes. Where?
At the cafe at 5?
Perfect. See you.
See you.
Everyone repeat. Do you want to meet?
Do you want to meet?
Yes, I do.
Love it.
Evening time. Amelia, what do you do in the evening?
I watch Netflix and eat snacks.
Same. I love Netflix.
What are you watching now?
Friends, the TV show.
Classic. Everyone say, I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I eat snacks.
Yum, yum.
Before sleep, we say good night.
Good night, Amelia.
Good night, James. Sleep well.
You too.
Everyone. Good night.
Wow, we talked all day.
From morning to night. And you spoke English the whole time.
You are amazing.
Time for quick review. James, ask me easy questions.
Amelia, how are you?
I am happy.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee.
Where are you going now?
I am going home.
Perfect. Now you ask me.
James, what do you eat for lunch?
I eat pizza.
Do you want to meet tomorrow?
Yes, I do.
Yay!
Friends, your turn. Answer in the comments.
Today's homework is super easy.
Just write one sentence. I want to speak English fast.
Or, good morning, I am happy.
Any English sentence is perfect.
We will read every comment and reply with lots of hearts.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for practicing with us today.
You spoke English so fast already. So proud.
Don't forget, like this video right now.
Subscribe and click the bell.
And share with your friends, family, everyone.
We love you all.
See you tomorrow for more English fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking.